Welcome to my channel. We are going to be cleaning the pantry. My name is Veronica Porchita. This is the horrible mess from right in the beginning. I mean, this is every single time that I clean up, this is what happens. It is, everything gets put over here. We've got about 6 people in this house and everybody just uses the pantry constantly. So I've taken everything out bit by bit, layer by layer, put it on my kitchen table and sorted it, but like literally little bit by little bit. There's my kitty cat. And as I'm putting it on my table, or the kitchen table, I'm sorting it out, going through everything, and then going to the next level and the next level. As you can see, this is the just progress photos of everything. That's clearly the second level that we've got through. And it's literally just taking but time to sort out, put away, bring back again, sort it out again, and cleaning as I go along. I didn't do a deep clean. I just did a little wipe here and there, and especially when there's places where it really looked soiled. That again is just sorting out on the table, putting things like items together, bulk away, and then you can see that that is basically the remnants. I don't have a bar, so all my bar things go right on top. And this is me packing the pantry back away as it was, bit by bit. Everything that goes into its place, all the expired stuff is out, and I don't have containers for everything, so most of it is packaging that just goes back. That is the last of the section from the inside of the cupboards, how it is sorted out. Again, like items with like items. Finally, it was done and dusted and cleared, and that was the end result of the pantry. Hopefully it stays that way for a while. Don't forget to subscribe or click the like button if you like this video.